In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete liked videos on TikTok. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up TikTok app. Then let me like some video, and now if you want to find all the videos that you have ever liked on TikTok, you should go to your profile first and then just hit at that heart icon, and that will show you all the videos that you have liked on TikTok. You can scroll down and then will upload more and more, and then you can just open up any video and just unlike them in that way. So you can open up any videos from which you want to remove your likes. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my TikTok tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.